I'm Mr. Small, and I'm going to sing Weird Things by Francis Johnson. Now, this is a song about weird things. The weird things exploded the Nikes, and plus, they've exploded their own fart, and plus, you should never fart. And this is the song of the aluminum exploding, living, exploding freed. And this is this weird things song. It's instantly exploding the Nikes if you want the joke. The weird things have all the fart, and this is not explosive. Miss Tiny, don't say that word. This is disgusting. This is the Weird Things song. This is Weird Things by Francis exploding Fulton Johnson Smith. What are you? This is not right. This is my own parts of body, and you get the old weird things. You have rely on your far. This is the secret weapon. The weapons exploded. This is the explosives. Sleepy, sleepy, sleepy. The sleepy explosives. I am losing sleep right now. This is explosive poop. And one of the actual words. Are you Mr. Small that does not like Nikes? Oh, is it different? Oh my god. Waldorf. You should never talk about Nikes while you sleep. I'm not sleeping. This is an AC/DC program, not a Brian Johnson program. You're not singing the Rock and Peace song, so this is explosive. I am going to explode you. I am Oh man, Hawaii. What in the actual world? This is explosive. Oh my goodness, who are you? I am exploded. I'm Brian Johnson from the AC/DC Central. What's it? Oh man. Mr. Small, you've been getting Nikes. What? I am the Richard F. Carr here to announce that Brian Johnson was sick with her Guns N' Roses. Axl Rose is doing some weird. Oh, let me take over this explosive crummy show. I am Brian Johnson, and I'm going to announce that I will be singing Bon Scott's songs more. And I'm going to sing Rock and Peace and Showbiz in a concert in the Power Up World Tour along with Long Way to the Top, and I do not know how to play bagpipe. Hi, girls and boys, my name is Keith Gallia, and I have a story I'd like to share with you. The story is called Mr. Noisy by Roger Hargreaves. Mr. Noisy was a very noisy person. Do not steal my concerts. Oh my goodness. Everything is exploding. Oh no. Not the teeth. My head is oh no. Not the explosives. This is a is the fault. What it'll happen to the sink of muscle freed. Oh man, Richard F. Carr. Moo.